Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello guys, welcome to Vote Kids Presence India Kids Summit 2020. I have with me Mr. Satish Veerappa. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us on this conversation. So the first question that I would like to ask you is the fact that, kids economy has seen a phenomenal growth, say in the last 5 or 6 years, and this wasn't prevalent, say, in the early 2000s. So what do you think has been the main reason behind this, sudden change?
I think, So I think the way we see the curriculums growing over the years, I think, and the explosion of technology that's happened in the last decade, I think that has given kids a lot of access to a lot of content, which I think was earlier a little restrictive. With the explosion of content, I think you've seen different levels of engagement, and through different levels of engagements, I'm sure the desire for a different kind of consumption is emerging today with kids. And that, I think, is creating an interesting opportunity and a space for all of us to work together.
So when you talk about explosion of technology, parents in particular, they feel that, explosion of technology and integration with kids, it can sometimes get dangerous because, anything which we do or overdo a lot, it can be hazardous for the kids. So what do you have to say or give a message to the content creators so that the right balance is maintained?
So I think it all starts with what is your philosophy for whatever you're offering through any platform, whether it's a technology-based platform or it's a bricks and mortar kind of a platform. What really is your purpose? As long as the purpose is to really entertain and educate the kid, and I think we're all in a great space. When I think we end up overdoing one of the two a little more, I think you end up possibly then creating irritants which possibly create the kind of, I would say, concern among parents. So I think the kind of philosophy that you have and the sense of responsibility towards that commitment or purpose that you work with should make a difference to the quality of content. I'm sure there could be other ways where I think technology can be used to solve issues out of technology. But beyond that, I think the content creators, the message would be that why are you in it for? If you're clear why you are there if your why is very clear, I'm sure your what will look better.
Absolutely. And as sir rightly mentioned, when we talk about responsibility, where do you see the kids economy going in the next 5 years? And what do you have to say about this event in particular? Because, a lot of events don't particularly focus on kids economy. So what are your expectations from this event, and where do you see the kids economy going forward in the next 5 years?
So let me take the second question. I see that this is a first of its kind of an initiative where stakeholders across different sectors and who I think engage with kids in different capacity are coming together. I think it's a great platform for ideation. Based on ideation, what I think each one of us can create is something that I'm sure none of us would have a understanding today. But definitely what I think one can see is that things would definitely look promising. One cannot estimate what kind of a direction things would take with technology. But people working together, a common platform for ideation, and through that comes out what I think each one of us can deliver through our own individual, individual roles that we perform in the duties that we undertake. This coming together, this fusion, what I think it will create is something that looks promising. Can't estimate what it'll be like, but one can definitely see that things look promising and exciting for the future.
It's a pleasure talking to you, sir, and I wish you have a wonderful time going forward in this event. Thank you so much, sir.